Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to dispute a transaction on the Bank of America. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the best way to do this is open up your web browser and head on over to bankofamerica.com. Once you're here, you need to make sure to log in. So click on that login button at the top and then click on continue to log in. And now put in your user ID and password. You can also save your ID if you like. And if you've forgotten your ID or password, just click on forgot ID password and go through those steps. Then from here, it's very straightforward. Just choose the account associated with the transaction you want to dispute, navigate to your account activity and locate that specific transaction in question. Then from there, you need to initiate the dispute. So click on the transaction to view its details, select dispute this transaction link, follow the on-screen instructions to submit your claim. And also only posted transactions can be disputed online. Pending transactions are temporary and may change.